in 1 minute. Don't worry. Okay, super. So we are live now. Okay. In 1 minute. Don't worry. And you can do your rituals, Vinay. Whatever ritual you do every day, please do that. So just give 1 more minute and then we'll start. Fine. Who's its first class today? I can see few new names. For how many of you it is first session? Hi, Ronnie. Hi, Mahamudul. So Sandeep, yeah. Sandeep looks like new to me. Hi, Sandeep. Hello, Vivek. Harishankar Prasad Singh, namaste, sir. Vlogs by Rishabh is new. Okay, Rishabh. Hi, Sujo. All right, so we are done. So let me address few things first before we move to the session. Right, so Saloni, Sandali was there, wasn't Sandali is there when Saloni is absent. Yeah. Memory, you are not new. You were there that day. Hi, Tasha. Hello, Anupa. Good to see you. Right. So William Richard is new again. Oh my God. Sandali had written some message for Vinay, I guess. I'm unable to read that. Okay. So few queries. There is that guy is not there. RK. So he had sent some queries on. You people did some coding decoding other day. Have you done some coding decoding other day on Saturday, I guess? Yeah. Okay. So there are few more questions which RK had sent to me. We will discuss that. We will discuss that type of question also. Yeah. All right. Vibin, order and ranking. Fair enough. Then Nyambe had sent me a query like Nyambe, let me know what help you need at the end. So before we finish the class, let me know what we can do. And whatever the question you have sent, that I'll definitely take it up. All right. I hope, Nambe, that's clear. Yeah, thank you for acknowledging. All right. So how are you? How others are doing? Good morning. Yeah, Jennifer, long time no see. Yeah, long time no see. All right, people. So yeah, I was also attending one workshop, which was 4 days workshop. I came this morning only. So yeah, it was also fun for me. Also, it was a new kind of learning. So yeah, chalo, then we'll start. So today's topic is new. All right. Today we will do topic and tomorrow we will practice the questions on this. You can see the screen. Can you confirm once? If you can see the screen. Hi Roshni, good afternoon. Very good to see you all again. Awesome. All right. So time and work. How is time and work related? Just let me know if my voice is clear because I'm using another pair of earphones. So time and work. So basically when we talk about time and work depends on time. All right, Rajan, long time, work, and men. So we need to see these three relationship. And one more thing which comes into picture is efficiency. All right. One more thing which comes into picture is efficiency. All right. So it is time, work, men, and efficiency. Now, if we have to say how is work and time are related, is it directly proportional or it is inversely proportional? Which you think? Directly or inversely? Type D or I? D or I? How is time and work are related? Directly proportional. So for directly, write D. For inversely, write I. Type I. Okay. Inversely. Ronnie, Flywell, check again. Directly, inversely, directly, inversely. See, more work will take more time or less time. More work will take more time or less time. Come on, reply. More work will take more time. Similarly, less work will take less time, right? So it is what? Directly proportional. So we can say that T is directly proportional to W. It is not correct. All right. All of you got it? Yes. So Mahmudul, not maybe. We have to be sure that, yeah, more work, more time, less work, less time. So time is directly proportional to W. How is time and men are related? Directly or inversely? How is time and men are related? Natasha, Binay had sent the ID and passcode there in the Zoom chat. Sorry, in YouTube chat. Please try doing that. Maybe they are asking you some ID, like you might have to join in some, first of all, with your ID. So just use that. Okay, try once again. So it is inversely. Yes, Mukund. Yes, Srijita. It is. Yes, Libel. It is inversely. So more number of people, if more number of men are there, they will take less time. Same way, if less number of men are there, they will take more time. So one thing is this, another thing is what? T is inversely proportional to M. Now, how is efficiency and time are related? Time and efficiency, inversely or directly? Time and efficiency. Think practically. Hi Tanu. Think practically. How is efficiency and time are related? Directly or inversely? I hope you are giving me answer for efficiency only. Inverse, right? Because if more the efficient person, that person will be taking less time. So time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, if I'll combine these all right, if I'll combine all this first, second, and third, sorry, if I combine first, second, and third, so T is directly proportional to W, T is inversely proportional to M, T is inversely proportional to E also, right? Combining these three, I can write it as T is directly proportional to W and inversely proportional to M and E. Or I can say that taking this other side, so you might have done this in physics or in chemistry, bringing some constant K. This is constant. Okay, we are not getting into all this. Bringing some constant K. This is M and E. So this will become MET is equal to W. Or you can say that M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. I repeat, we just have to use this part. We just have to use this part, else whatever is needed, whatever we have seen is not needed. I repeat, it's M1, M stands for men, number of people, T stands for time, E stands for efficiency, W stands for work. M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. That's the one thing which we are using, which we are going to use it. All right. Got it, people? Yes or no? Yeah, I have disabled the annotate, so don't worry. Thank you, Binay. Who was that? It was Binay. Dapri Chekola. It's new. Chekole. I'm sorry. All right. Now I'm moving to the another thing. So we will be using M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 E2 T2 E2 upon W2. Now, one more thing to remember this way. See, Vivek, what is happening? I'll repeat for everyone. Yamhamudal, I repeat. Whenever things are directly proportional, it will be on the opposite side. Think about it. More number of men can do more work. More work, more time. More work, more efficiency is required. So when you see W relationship with M, T, and E, it is always what? It is always directly proportional. But when you see MT, relationship between men and time, it is inversely proportional. If it is inversely proportional, it will be on the same side. I repeat, if it is on inversely proportional, it will be on the same side of the numerator. If it is directly proportional, it will be on the opposite side of numerator. Fine, Vivek and Mahmudul. So simply it is M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. All right. Fair enough. Vivek, is that clear? Acknowledge quickly. All right, sir, Sandeep. I did not get to know that. Vivek, is that clear? Yes, no, quickly, quickly. All right, Michelle. Number of men can be affected by their efficiency. Yeah. So whoever is saying that number of men can be affected by their efficiency, yes, Ronnie, but when we see for such type of questions, when we look at this type of questions, we consider that if number of people are working, if some set of people are working, then we consider it as equal efficiency. All right. Okay, previous page. Fine, Vivek. I'll go for you for the previous page. I don't know what you want for this, but yeah. All right. Hi, Sushmita. Nice to see you. Then Vivek, take a screenshot. All right. Let me go forward now. Now here, one piece of information I want to give to you that might be possible this T can be given in terms of days and hours. So you don't have to get confused. You don't have to get confused. It will be what? M1 D1, that's date, hour 1, efficiency 1 upon W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 E2 upon W2. Efficiency is not there every time, right, Rajan? So whenever efficiency is not given, we will not take. Hi, Kazol. Good to see you. So think, people, think this way. Whatever the conditions, whatever the not conditions, whatever the information is given to us, we will just take that. Whatever is not needed, we will not add from our side. All right. You will understand. Relax for a while. You will understand. Whatever your doubts are, will get super clear after a while. Shall I move on? Shall I move on? Is this part clear? I quickly want to see reply from every player here. Not a spectator, every player here. Ronnie, okay. Very clear. Sandly, okay. All right. Wanda, are you making a note? Tamara, you are on YouTube, you're on Zoom today. Thank you, Srijita. Got it. All right. How about Wonder? Wonder, Akram, Pranajiva. All right. Okay. So here you go. Fine. Tell me the answer of the first question. Come on, quickly. I know everyone can do it. Can you see me, people? Sorry, not see me. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, people? Yes. Okay. So give me a minute, please. I'll just change my network so that 1 minute, there is some problem. 1 minute, let me change my network. Just a minute, people. Sorry for the disturbance. I don't know. Can you hear me, people, now? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, all right. Fine. Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Sandy. All right. So, yes, the answer for this one is 12 days. Many of you have got the answer because you have got enough time to solve this question. So, now what you see here, Ronnie, especially for you, 20 men take 30 days to complete. 20 men take 30 days to complete a job. How long will 50 men take to complete the same job? Right. So whenever it is given 20 men, we will be considering it as like they are working with the same efficiency. So men is there and days is there, that is time, right? Or you can say D. I'll take it as T only. So M1 T1 is equal to M2 E2 or T2, sorry. So M1 is 20, T1 is 30, M2 is 50, T2 is equal to question mark. Okay. So this is 0 will get cancelled. 5, 1, 5, 6, 6 into 2, 12 is the answer. I hope that's clear to everyone. Though people on YouTube haven't answered, but yeah, I hope so that it's clear. Right here on Zoom, everyone had answered. Now, one more thing, if it is written like this, 3 by 12, 3 by 12. If some work is there like 3 by 12, it means that 3 parts out of how many parts? Out of 12 parts. So 12 parts will be total work. So if I say if 3 by 12 part work is done, how much work is remaining? Can anyone answer? How much work is remaining? If 3 by 12 is done, right, Roshni? If 3 by 12 is done, if 3 by 12 of work is done, how much work is remaining? Can anyone answer that? 9 by 12. So again, how we look at it? Out of 12, 12 is total part. Out of 12, 3 part is done. So 1 minus 3 by 12, or how I do, which is nothing but 12 minus 3 by 12, or how I do, out of 12, if 3 is done, then yes, 9 by 12 it is, right? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Screen is not clear only to memory, I guess, or to others also. That's on full screen. Okay, people, fine. Tell me the answer of this question now. These are some warm-up questions. We will look at some good questions also. But the intention is to go and let each and everyone understand that. Mahamudul, screen is not clear. I can see on YouTube, it's clear, Mahamudul. Screen is okay. Yeah, Andrew. Thank you, Nitesh. It's all clear. Chapter name today, Anandya Biswas. It is time and work. Right. I hope everyone got the answer. So, like 6 men takes 10 days to complete a work job working 10 hours per day. You remember, though we have discussed M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. But if time is given in D and hours, that is days and hours, we will just take D1 and H1. So M1 is 6, M1 D1 H1 by W1 if it is there. If it is not, then it's okay. M2 D2 H2. Are they talking about same work? So W1 will not come. You can ignore it. I don't know what's happening. Okay, people, ignore it. Today my pen is not working. So 6 into D1 is 10 days. 10 days, 10-hour work day. So this is 10. Find the number of days. 15 men, M2, number of days we don't know. H2 is what? 10 hour per day. So this will get cancelled. 15 1, 15 4, 60. So yes, D2 is equal to 4 days. 4 days is the answer. Yes. All right, fine. Let's move to the next one. This is a simpler one. Here the answer is 7. Right. A boy 1 M1 T1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 upon W2. So one boy can finish one assignment in one day. How many identical assignments? So we don't know this. Can 7 boy finish in 7 days? So your answer is what? 49. 49 is the answer, Sandy. Yes, 49 is the answer, Muhammadul. Yes, Muka. Tamara. Right. Got it, Flywell? That's correct. Sandali, I hope it's clear. It's 49 days. Okay. One more. Um, 7 monkey can eat 7 bananas in 7 days. 5 monkeys will eat 5 bananas in how many days? In how many days? What's the answer for this one? What's the answer for this one? Right, Pranajiva. 7 or 5? Anyone saying 5? Quincy, you joined Zoom. Quincy, check again. Just substitute as in place of Alex. Check again. Just put it in the place of M1 T1 W1. So M1 stands for monkey here. 7 monkeys eat 7 bananas, so that will become work in 7 days. So M1, this is M1, this is W1, this is T1. 5 monkeys will eat 5 bananas in how many days? So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So you are getting what? 7 days. So 7 is the answer, not 5. All right, Mahamadul, the answer is 5. Sorry. So the answer is 7, not 5. I hope that's clear. It looks like answer is 5 days, but think practically. 7 monkey can eat 7 bananas in 7 days. It means that one monkey is taking entire 7 days to eat one banana. Now there are 7 monkeys sitting simultaneously or like together, and every monkey has one banana in his or her hand, and then that monkey is finishing in 7 days. So 5 monkeys, it means that again one monkey is eating one banana, so we'll finish it in 5 days. Right? I hope you got it. Everyone understood? Yes, no? Okay, can you reply quickly? Jennifer, Patricia, and many more. Understood? Okay. All right, let's move to the next one. Now, there is another type of question. This we are done with this type of question. Tomorrow we will see more good questions of this type. So now, let's say that A is doing some work in 5 days and B is doing some work in 10 days. I repeat, A is doing some work in 5 days and B is doing some work in 10 days. So if A and B work together, how many days? How many days? How many days they will take? Okay, try. William Richard, for which one your answer is 4 day? I hope that 1560, not 7 monkey and 7 banana one question. 10 by 3. So that's the answer. 7 is the answer for the previous question. Flywell, monkey question, 7 was the answer. 10 by 3 days, Robin. Okay. Anyone else? So, how to solve this type of question? Now, everyone pay attention, stay focused. A's 1 day work is equal to what? A's 1 day work will be 1 by 5. So if A is finishing total work in 5 days, so we'll assume that in 1 day he will be finishing, or he or she, it will be finishing one part of the day. Sorry, one part of the work. So 5 days, we will assume that five 5 days, we will assume that 5 unit of the work. Yes, Binay, I am receiving your messages. So A's 1 day work is 1 by 5. B's 1 day work is what? B's, what will be B's 1 day work? Can you type in? Can you type in what will be B's 1 day work? Come on, quickly, everyone. 1 by 10. Now, if they're working together, so A and B's 1 day work will be equal to what? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10, right? A and B's 1 day work will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. And this will be what? 10 plus 10 and 5, LCM is 10. 5 into 2 will give you 10. So 2 plus 1, you will give 3 by 10. But when you need to calculate total work, for total work, you do what? Reverse the ratio. So this will become 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is what? 3, 1 by 3, or 3.33 days. 10 by 3 is 3.33 days. Now there is one more way. I'll suggest be comfortable with both the methods. All right. Okay. I hope this one you already knew. All of you got it. This method. What we simply doing, we are converting everyone's work as 1 day work. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Now we want to see how many days will they together. Okay. I'll slow down. So A's 1 day work will be 1 by 5. B's 1 day work is 1 by 10. Flywell, is that clear so far? I'm coming to that. Just so Jennifer, I'm coming to that. Okay. So 1 day work for A and B will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Now I'm just solving this part. All right, Flywell, I'm just solving this part. I will get 3 by 10. So now see, when I write A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 5, which is nothing but A's 1 day work, or today my eraser is not working. My pen eraser is not working. I don't know why. So 1 upon total work. So if I have, this is total work, you see, this is total work. So if I have to calculate total work, what I will do, it is nothing but 1 upon 1 day work. So you got 1 day work as 3 by 10. So total work will be what? 1 day work is equal to 3 by 10. So total work will be equal to what? 1 by 3 by 10. So this ratio will reverse and it will become 10 by 3. All right, Rajan, I hope it's clear now. Okay, clear? Rajan, is that clear now? Fair? Now there is another way to solve this question. Rajan, it's clear, right? Awesome. All right. Now, I find sometimes this question is more, this method is more logical. I'll let you know which type of questions we need to go with which method. Okay. So here it is A and B, right? A and B. So A is doing work in 5 days and B is doing work in 10 days. All right. So A is doing work in 5 days, B is doing work in 10 days. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? What is the LCM of 5 and 10? 10 is the LCM, right? So now people pay attention. This is very simple and logical method. Try to understand. So this is total time taken. Forget about this, that whatever they are taking. So 5 and 10, LCM is 10. We'll consider 10 as the total unit of the work. 10 will be the total work. Now, think about it. If A is taking 5 days to finish 10 units, if 10 units are the total work to be done, and if A is taking 5 days to finish this 10 units, can I say A is doing 2 units per day? That is nothing but 10 by 5, 10 units by 5 days. So it is giving you what, 2 units per day? All of you got that? All of you got that? Yes, no, right? Similarly, units per day. How many units will B be doing in a day? Can anyone tell me now? How many units will B be doing in a day? Sandeep, 10 units, 10 days. Sandeep, it is like this way. You are doing 10 units in 10 days. It means how many units you will do in one day? 1 unit per day. All right. So I repeat what we did. We took LCM of 5 and 10. Whatever the LCM we took, that's 10 units. We will be using this LCM method even in time, speed, distance also. So understand it right now. So 5 and 10, 5 and 10 LCM is 10. So we'll consider 10 are the total unit of the work. So if 10 units are the total unit of the work, and if A is taking 5 days to finish, it means that A would be doing 2 units per day. If 10 units are the total work, and if B is taking 10 days to finish it, it means that B would be doing 1 unit per day. I hope that is clear so far to everyone. I'm going a little slowly in this one, right? So A and B are doing how many units in a day? In one day, they are doing how many units? 3 units. They're doing 3 units in one day. So how many units are they supposed to finish? They are supposed to finish 10 units. So 10 units in how many days? Cross multiply. So x is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is 3.33 or 31 by 3. Now tell me to who you want me to repeat. Like how many of you want me to repeat? Simply what we are doing, whatever the time period is given for A and B, and even if it is C is there, no problem. We will take the LCM of A, B and C. If D is there, we will take LCM of A, B, C and D. Whatever the number of people are working, we will take the LCM of that, right? Now, after that, we will assume this as like whatever the number of days they are working, we will take the LCM of that, and then we'll see how many of them are doing in a day. Okay. And then see how many units are they doing in one day together. So if they're working together, how many do? If they in one day they are doing 3 units, so 10 units they will do in how many days? If that's clear to everyone, let me know quickly. Clear? Okay. Yeah, Sandeep, you are saying any other trick method? I don't want to say. So first of all, I don't know any other trick because I believe with whatever the thing we are getting answer quickly, let's go with that. There are some formulas, but I don't want to go with formulas again because formula is like how many formulas you will be remember at the end. This is not the only one chapter they are gonna ask in exam. You have to prepare entire syllabus. Fair enough? All right, let's go for this question. 1 minute, I have some calculator method trick. A, B, C. Solve this one. 10, 20, 30. A is taking 10 days to complete the work. B is taking 20 days to complete the work. C is taking 30 days to complete the work. A, B, and C together, how many days? A, B, and C together, how many days? That's the question. A, B, and C together, how many days? Calculator method trick. Hi Felix. I don't know calculator method trick. I don't know, Sandeep, what you're talking. I'm doing well, son. Felix. Hope you are doing well too. 60 by 11. So Felix, today you came late, so I don't know how much you will be able to understand. So we'll see. All right. So 10, 20, 30, we'll take what? We'll take, first of all, very first thing is what we will take LCM. So in center, we'll take LCM of whatever the days been given to us. So yes, LCM of 10, 20, 30 is 60. I hope that's clear to everyone. Yeah, everyone is giving me right answer. So this is 6 unit per day, which how you got 60 by 10. This will be 3 unit per day. How you got this 60 by 20 and units per day. And this you got 60 by 30. That is 2 units per day. All right, Felix, try again. Try. 60 by 30. That's how you will get 2. That's how you will get 3. That's how you will get 6. Now, if we see together, A, B, and C together, they are doing 6 plus 3 plus 2. That is 11. 6 plus 5, 11 units. So 11 units in one day. So they have to finish 60 units in how many days? Here, yes, answer is 60 by 11. 60 by 11 is 5 by 11. Okay. 11 per day, right? Is that clear? So there are some, fine, let's solve this question. Little different, but let's try. Yes, vlogs by Rishabh, that's correct. Yes, Anupa, yes, Roshni, yes, Mahamudul, that's correct. One request is there from Mahamudul and Uttam. You keep talk. I don't have any problem with you people talking, but yeah, don't miss the concept. Again, a request. I cannot do anything else. Rest is up to you. YouTube platform is for you. Nice, Tamara. Habib Sarkar, Abhiraj are new. Sheikh Hasnat, Sheikh, I hope you are understanding. You are not new. So 36 days. Okay, how about others? So now what happened here? Bindu and Chandu working together can complete a piece of work. Little logic you use, you will get the answer. Bindu and Chandu working together. So this time B plus C is given. Like in the previous one, A plus B plus C is not given. That's okay. So in this question, B plus C is given. Chandu alone can do it in 18 days and Bindu and Chandu working together can do it in 12 days. So I don't know how many days is Bindu taking. It's okay. What is LCM of 18 and 12? What is LCM of 18 and 12? 18 and 12 LCM is 36. So I don't know this part. I know if I talk about C, if C is finishing 18 days, 36 units, it means that how many units in a day? 2 units per day. Awesome, people. Yes, that's the answer. And 36 by 12 will give you 3 units per day. So I don't know about B, but I know that B plus 2 is equal to 3. It means that B is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So B would be doing 1 unit per day. So if B is doing 1 unit per day, yes, the answer is 36 days. Hence the answer is 36. Awesome. Everyone got it? Yes, and the answer is 36 days. Awesome, people. Wonderful. Sheikh Hasnat, can you type in what's the problem? We'll move on then. Okay, we will come to later. Let's solve this question. How many people are there? Jack, Paul, Hari. Yeah, let's do this one. Sandeep, 1 minute, people. I have to go back. Sandeep, we are just, we don't know, we did not know. Where is my pen? We did not know this part. We knew 2 and we knew 3, but 3 is for, so B we did know. For C, it is 2 units per day. Together, they are doing 3 units per day. Think, Sandeep. If you and I are working together, you are doing 2 units and together we are doing 3 units. It means that I would be doing 1 unit per day. If I am doing 1 unit per day and 36 are total units, it means that how many days I will take? I will take 36 days. I hope it's clear, Sandeep, now. If not, then I'll come at the end. Fine, people, not this one. Yeah, this question. How to get 36? Okay, Sheikh, we have taken LCM of whatever number was given to us. So the numbers which were available with us was Chandu is taking 18 days and together Bindu and Chandu were taking 12 days. So two numbers which I knew were 18 and 12. So I took LCM of 18 and 12. Okay, fine, Sheikh. Surjo, long time no reply. Sheikh, is that clear now? Sheikh Hasnat? Yeah. Sheikh, can you reply quickly if you can hear me? Would be great. Okay, thank you. So answer for this one is Tamara. What's the answer? Jennifer, Flywell, Patricia, Robin. Okay. Rahul, if you are the wonder, Binay got the answer. Okay. You are solving. Okay, I'm waiting, Jennifer. And even on YouTube, nobody replied yet. Anupa, Sushmita, what happened? Nitesh, Roshni, Mahamudul, William Richard. Please calculate the LCM in display. Okay. So how I calculate LCM if it is 18 and 12, right? I'll just take an example. So what I will do, I will take the biggest number out of these two. Look, understand? You will understand. So 18 and 12, I'll take the biggest number out of this. Now, is 18 divisible by 12? No. Then I'll go to next multiple of 18. 18 into 2 is 36. Now I'll check. Is 36 divisible by 12? Yes, it means that 36 will be the LCM. Like if I have to take LCM of 10, 20, 30, I'll take the biggest number. Is 30 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 30 divisible by 20? No. So then I'll go to next multiple of 30, that is 60. Is 60 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 60 divisible by 20? Yes. Is 60 divisible by 30? Yes, of course. So 60 will become LCM. Oh my God, Habib, I'm speaking very slowly. So I am speaking very slowly, Habib. Okay, I'll try again. So Jake can do it in 16 days. LCM is least common multiple, Sheikh. We have completed it in very first few classes. Yes, Felix. Awesome, Felix. All right, so Jake can do it in 16 days. And Paul can do it in 24 days. Hari is also one person there. And Jake, Paul, and Hari, we don't know. Hari's we don't know, but Jake, Paul, and Hari are doing it in how many days? 8 days. Now, Alex, what would be the LCM of 16, 24, and 8? What do you think? What would be the LCM of 16, 24, and 8? Alex. Alex, my question is to you. What do you think? What would be the LCM of 16, 24, and 8? Okay, others who are replying are not Alex. So Alex, understand again. Alex, and then there was one more guy, Sheikh. So Sheikh, 24 is the biggest number, but 24 is not divisible by 16. So I'll go to next multiple of 24. Next multiple of 24 is 48. Now 48 is divisible by 16, divisible by 24, divisible by 48. So this will be 3 units per day. This will be 2 units per day. For Hari, I don't know, I'll write H. And this will be what? 6 unit per day. Yes, the answer is 3 plus 2 plus H is equal to 6. So this H is equal to what? 1 unit per day. If H is equal to 1 unit per day, so how many days Hari can alone take? Hari would be taking 48 days. 48 days is the answer. I hope it's clear. There was one more person who was requesting me to speak slowly. Habib. I hope, Habib, it's clear to you now. Awesome. Felix, you got it right. Fine, people. I'm moving on. Habib, let me know if it is clear or not clear. Now clear. Okay, we will do this little later. 1 minute. Okay. Fine. Okay, try this one. Try. Okay, people, I have got a request. Srijita, this part is clear, right? 16, 24, I don't know for Hari. And for total, James, Paul, and Hari are taking 8 days. So whatever the numbers are visible to me, I will take the LCM. LCM of that will be 48. It means that this is 48 by 16 will give you 3 unit per day. 48 by 24 will be 2 unit per day. Hari's, I don't know. So I'll write H, and this is 6 unit per day. So 3 plus 2 plus H is equal to 6. Right? Like 3 people are working, James, Paul, and Hari. Together, they are doing it in 8 days. Understood now, Srijita? So 3 plus 2 plus H is equal to 6. Like we 3 are working, Srijita, James, and Sonal. So Srijita is doing 3 units, James is doing 2 units. We don't know Sonal is doing how many units, but we know that together they are doing 6 units. Fine. I hope that's clear. Okay, this question, people. Awesome, Roshni, Uttam. Yes, that's the correct answer. Natasha, good. Nilesh, good. Good. So you people are understanding it. Awesome. No problems, Rejita. Go for it. Always and always take LCM of whatever the numbers are given to you. P and Q are doing it in 6 days, Q and R are doing it in 4 days, and P and R are doing it in 12 days. Check again, Binay. Check again. Okay, Robin. It is 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Are you sure it is 4 days? Because I got 2 people answer so far, and both of them are saying 4 days. All right. Okay, 2 days, Jennifer. All right, Robin. Robin, what's your... Okay, Robin only gave the answer as 4 days. Okay, I'll wait for 1 more minute. I think my answer is 3 days. Is it possible or not possible? What is the LCM of 6, 4, and 12? Srijita, what would be the LCM? LX purification. What would be the LCM? Shake. What would be the LCM? Right, LCM is 12. Right? how long would they take to complete the work if they work together? If they work together, it means that they are asking you nothing but P plus Q plus R, right? So LCM of 6, 4 and 12 is 12 because 12 is the largest number and it is divisible. Check again. So how many units per day? Here it will be how many units per day? How many units per day? 2 units per day. This will be 3 units per day. 4 day, it means 3 units per day. And 12 day, it means 1 unit per day. P and R would be doing 1 unit. Q and R would be doing 3 unit. P and Q would be doing 2 units. All of you got it? So if I'll add all this will give me what? 2P plus Q plus R is equal to how many units? Okay, yes, people, answer is 4 days, right? 2 plus 3 plus 1 is giving you 6 units, right? It means that they are doing 3 units in a day. So P plus Q plus R are doing 3 units in how many days? 1 day. If they are doing 3 units in 1 day, if they are doing 3 units in 1 day, 12 units in how many days? Answer is 4 days. Absolutely right. 4 days is the answer. I was just sticking to 3 units. That's why the answer was not 3 days. 2 days is the answer. Okay, so when I add this all, so if you look at this, P plus Q is doing 2 units per day. Q and R are doing 3 units per day. And P plus R are doing 1 unit per day. So when you add this together, this will give you 2 times 2P, 2Q, 2R. All right, Pranjiva. That's why it is 6 unit in a day. So 2 times of PQR, 6 units in a day. I have added it. Sevelam, I have added it. 2P, 2Q, 2R, and I have taken 2 common. I hope that's clear to you all. P plus Q plus R is equal to 3 unit in a day. So 3 unit in 1 day, 12 units in how many days? 4 days is the answer. Awesome. Okay, now can anyone tell me if P alone will work, how many days will it take? If P alone will work, how many days it will take? That's interesting answer, you know. Okay, forget about P. Can you tell me if Q is working alone, how many days will it take? 72 days. No, Flywell. If Q is working alone, how many days Q will take? Roshni, for which question your answer is that? Natasha? Anyone? My question is, considering the given information, if the question is asked about, how many days will Q alone take? If Q is working alone, how many days will it take? Right, Binay. Muka, I think you added one extra 0. Now what I know, P plus Q plus R is equal to 3 units in a day. All of you? Which LCM is wrong? Mukund, it's clear. Which LCM? I don't know what is happening to my screen. Which LCM is wrong, Mukund? 6, 4, 12 LCM is 12 only. That's correct. So P plus Q plus R is equal to 3. If P plus Q plus R is equal to 3, so we know that P and Q are doing it in how many? I need to calculate for Q, right? I need to calculate for Q. It means that I need to see how many days P and R are working. P and R are doing 1 unit in a day. So P plus R plus Q is equal to 3. This part is 1. So 3. So Q would be doing how many units? 2 units in a day. So if 2 units in one day, 12 units in how many days? 6 days. So 6 days is the answer. I hope that's clear to everyone. Roshni did not get it. Okay, what is there, Roshni, in this question? 1 minute, Roshni, 1 minute. I'll come back. See, I'm just raising a level for you people, just little bit, not too much also. Roshni, the thing is, whatever question we have solved so far, the things which were given to you like P doing, Q doing, R doing. But this time what they have given is P plus Q, Q plus R and P plus R. So it's okay. Whatever the numbers given to us, we will be taking LCM of that. Mukund, LCM of 6, 4, 12. 12 is the highest number. 12 is divisible by 6. 12 is divisible by 4. So 12 can be your LCM. Actually, it is your LCM. Now, 12 divided by 6, 2. 12 divided by 4, 3. 12 divided by 12 will give you 1 unit per day. All right, Roshni, when you add this, so you have 2 P's, you have 2 Q's, you have 2 R's. So I took that 2 common and I took P plus Q plus R is equal to 6 unit. I cancelled it. P plus Q plus R is equal to 3 unit in one day. So 12 units in how many days? That's it. Okay. Another one, my question was if Q alone, it means that I need to take combination of P and R. P and R are doing 1 unit in a day. So it means that if P and R are doing 1 unit in a day, P, Q, R are doing 3 units in a day. It means that Q would be doing 2 units in a day. So 2 units in one day, 12 units in how many days? This is for Q. Can anyone tell me for P? P would be taking how many days? I hope it's clear, Roshni, now. Can anyone tell me? Yeah, the same question, Sheikh. How long would it take for P to complete it? Even Ronnie's question will get clear here now. If Ronnie is here. I don't know. Ronnie, are you there? He's there. Okay. P take 12 days. P is not working at all. Yeah, getting infinity. P will not work at all. P is just a silent worker. He or she will just go and look at the work. So when you are working in project, I don't know. When you're working in a team, there will be one person who will not be working. But you have to consider because it's a team. Oh yeah, Surjo. Surjo gave absolutely right answer. It's a spectator. That's awesome, Surjo. Right? So P is spectator here, not working anything. All of you got it? Because it's giving you 0. What about R? R is doing 1 day, 1 unit, because P is 0. All right. See, you got here Q as 2 unit per day, right? So if you look at this equation, this part, P plus Q is equal to 2. When you know that Q is doing 2 unit, it means that P is a spectator. P is not working at all. So there would be some option. They will not ask this, but yeah, I hope it's getting clear. Roshni, I hope it's clear. Okay. R would be doing how many units? 1 unit. That's it. So you see this condition is also satisfying. Q is doing 2 and R is doing 1. Done, 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 done. Roshni, still not clear. Okay, Roshni, I'll do one thing. We will take this question at the end. Fine. Okay, so we'll move on, people. Crystal clear. Awesome. Now, you know efficiency, right? Like I have told you, efficiency is inversely proportional. Did I tell you this? Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So it is efficiency of A, efficiency of B is equal to time period of B upon time period of A, or ulta, like you need to reverse the ratio. Fine. So just give a try to this question. Don't try this with LCM method, I'll tell you. Okay, go with regular method, the very first method, 1 by 1 by. I'll tell you why. Roshni will discuss at the end. Okay. Arogya Upreti. Answer, yes, Rabin, that's correct. Vinay, check again. Vinay, check again. Arogya, check again. Sandali, yes, that's correct. Rajan, that's correct. Okay, so Aditi is thrice as efficient as Soumya. Aditi is 3 times as efficient as Soumya. So efficient, it means they are talking about efficiency. We'll check. So efficiency of Aditi upon efficiency of Soumya is 3 by 1. So time taken by Aditi and time taken by Soumya will be what? 1:3, because time taken ratio is reversed. Is it clear so far to everyone? Can you reply yes or no quickly? This is given. Aditi is thrice as efficient as Soumya. So this part is given. Efficiency ratio. Okay. Srijita, efficiency is inversely proportional to time taken. So E1 by E2 will be equal to what? T2 by T1. All right. Or E1 by E2. If you are getting it as X by Y, so T1 by T2 will be what? Y by X. All right. Fine, Srijita. So EA by ES, efficiency of Aditi to efficiency of Soumya is equal to 3 by 1. So time taken of Aditi to time taken of Soumya will be 1:3. This is 1:3 ratio. Now Soumya can complete a piece of work in how many days? So this 3 part is equal to how many days? 24 days. So 1 part will be equal to how many days? Can anyone tell me? If 3 part is equal to 24, so 1 part will be equal to what? No problem. If 3 part is equal to 24, 1 part will be equal to what? 1 part is equal to 8. So here you will get 8. 3 into 8 is giving you 24. 1 into 8 is giving you 8. So it means that Aditi is taking 8 days. Soumya is taking 24 days. LCM is 24. So Aditi would be doing 3 units per day and Soumya would be doing 1 unit per day. So they are doing 4 units in a day. So 24 units in how many days? 6 days. 6 days is the answer. So the answer is 6 days. 6 days or 8 days? 8 days is the answer for the. Okay. So I quickly repeat to whoever it is not clear. To us, efficiency of ratio is given that efficiency of Aditi is 3 times as good as Soumya. So Aditi is 3 times efficient as Soumya. So efficiency of Aditi to efficiency of Soumya is 3:1. So time taken of Aditi to time taken of Soumya will reverse the ratio because it is inversely proportional. So that's why it will be 1. That's why it will be 1:3. Now 3 parts. Soumya is taking how many days? 24 days. So Soumya is taking 24 days. So if 3 part is equal to 24, 1 part is equal to 8. So you got 8 and 24, take LCM, use the regular method, which we were using, 3 units per day, and this is 1 unit per day, 4 unit in a day. So 24 units in how many days? That's the question. Your answer will be 6 days or 8 days. 24 by 4 is 6, isn't it? How many days can they work together, complete the same piece of work? Yeah, answer is 6. All of you agree? Is that clear? Come on, am I audible? Agree, yeah. Okay. All right. Let's try this question then. I want you to do this question little later. 1 minute. We'll see some other question first. We'll come to this question after a while. This is done. This is done. Completed 3 word days before the work is completed. Okay. 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 All right. I think the questions are not there. Fine. Try this one. Go logical. Sorry. Awesome. Wonder. Good to see your reply. Eight days Roshni was for A, but that was not the question. Question was A and B together, how many days? So you got A working for 8 days, B can finish the same work in 24 days. Now you need to find out how many days will they take if they're working together. That was the question, Roshni. Roshni, do one thing, just write down the question somewhere and I'll come at the end. Don't worry. Okay. All right. So Mukha got the answer for this one. Anyone else? Binay? Today, if I'm writing something, it's moving to another. Today, my pen settings has been disturbed. I don't know how. No, Binay. So Raju, Ram, and Razi can do a piece of work in how many days? 20, 30, and 60 days. What's the LCM of 20, 30, 60? What's the LCM of 20, 30, 60? 60 days. All right. So this will be, Raju will be doing 3 units per day. Ram would be doing 2 units per day, and Razi would be doing 1 unit per day. All right. Now, what is happening if Raju is assisted by Ram and Razi on every third day? Which means that, try to understand this. Try to understand. Like first day, who is working? What do you think? Who is working on first day? First day, who is working? Who is working on first day? If Raju is assisted by Ram and Razi on every third day, it means that first day, who is working? Raju. Second day, who is working? Second day, who is working? Second day, who is working? Raju. Third day, who is working? Raju, and is joined by Ram and Razi. All of you got it? All three? So this is little different, but let's understand. First day, how many units will get done? 3 units. Second day, how many units will get done? 3 units per day, right? 3 units, because it's done by Raju. And then third day, how many units are getting done? Third day, how many units are getting done? Raju will do 3 units, Ram will do 2 units, and this person will do 1 unit. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is giving you what? 6 units. So can I say in 3 days, they are doing 12 units? Think about it. Think about it, people. First day, second day, third day. And then again the cycle will repeat. Fourth day, only Raju will work. Right? Fourth day, only Raju will work. Then again, Fifth day also Raju will work. Something is wrong, people, today. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So fifth day again Raju will work, and sixth day it is Raju, Ram, and Razi all will work. So the set is going like 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6. Mukund, try to understand. It's like, try to understand this part of line. If Raju is assisted by Ram and Razi on every third day, it means that first day only Raju will work, second day also only Raju will work. First day Raju is working, first day Raju is working, second day also Raju is working, but third day Raju is assisted by Ram and Razi. All right, so first day 3 units will get done, second day also 3 units will get done because Raju is doing 3 units in a day. On third day, Raju will do 3 units, Ram will do 2 units, and Razi will do 1 unit. It means that 6 units will get done. So in 3 days, in first, second, third, in 3 days, they are doing how many units? 12 units. 3 plus 3 plus 6. 12 units in 3 days. Understood now? How about Rishabh? Is that clear now? So in 3 days, they are doing 12 units. So 60 units. 60 units in how many days? 60 unit in how many days? In 3 days, they are doing 12 units. So 60 units they will do in how many days? 15 days. 60 into 3 by 12 is equal to x. 12 1, 12 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 is the answer. To how many of it is still not clear? People, I will say that take it as a logical part. Don't consider that you are solving some maths question. If you just look at it that, okay, 3 friends are there, Raju, Ram, and Razi. Raju is doing 20 units, 20 days. Raju is taking 20 days to finish her work. Ram is taking 30 days to finish her work. And Razi is taking 60 days to finish her work. So if Raju is assisted by Ram and Razi on every third day, which means that Raju had started the work. First day he was working alone. Second day also he was working alone. But third day it was Ram and Razi who joined him. So you just need to see how many units everyone is working each day. As simple as that. Is that clear now? Can I get clear from everybody, whoever is there in the room? Habib Sarkar, are you there or you left? Are you understanding, Habib? Vlogs by Rishabh. I hope it's clear. So far, so good. Awesome. All right. Sandal, it's clear. Quincy. Okay. Hi, Tim. Long time again. You also came very late. Okay. How about others? Muka clear. Crystal clear, Sandeep. Awesome. Diamond clear. Okay. Robin. Anyone saying Ruby clear? Okay, Sheikh, I did not understand that. No problem, Tim. I understand. Okay. How about others? All right, Habib. Awesome. Nice to see your reply. Okay, people, done. Good with this now? Very happy. Tomorrow we will solve one. Uh, Roshni, what I'm doing, I'm considering Raju on first day also, on second day also, and on third day also. Third day they are working together because so it's like Roshni, there are 3 girls. Roshni, Sushmita, who always go away, Sushmita and Sonal. So Roshni started the work. So Roshni is working on first day. Second day also Roshni is working. But third day Roshni was joined by whom? Roshni was joined by Sushmita and Sonal. Okay. All right, Roshni. I hope it is clear. So see people, very simple way. You just need to see who is working which day and how many units is that person doing. This is the easiest way. All right. Rabin, we are trying to figure out something about that. So let's wait for it. Okay. I hope Roshni, it's clear now. Oh, thank you, Habib. Fine, people. Would you, tomorrow we will take two more question of similar type. You will understand it. Okay, fine. Let's solve this question now. This we have done or not? No, I don't want you to do it now. I want you to do it. Raju working 9 units in 3 days. Yes, fair enough. Can say that way also. Raju is working 9 units overall. Fair enough. In 3 days, and then Ramu and Raji. It will give you 12 only, Surjo. 12 units in 3 days. Okay, let's try this question. Let me see how many of you get the answer. Try. Mehdi Hassan Sishir. Hello, you are not clear, because if you're joining the class at the middle of the session, then really it would be difficult to understand, because we are already halfway through our class. Try this question, people. Jennifer Patricia, previous one is clear. Felix, Vivek, Anindya Biswas, Emmanuel, Simbershe. This person never replied. Segolem, if I'm pronouncing your name correct, I hope so. That was clear. All right. Okay. Awesome, Emmanuel. Wonderful. Good, Roshni. Just in every question, you need to do that only, like how many units, how many days, what unit in a day, and just use simple addition method. All right. Yeah, Hassan Shishir, I'll pray for you. Let me know what I have to pray. Rohit Jaiswal. Rohit, check again. I've never seen your name, Rohit. Gideon. Ravin, check again. So can you tell me, Ronaldo is taking 6 hours to type 32 pages. It means that in 1 hour, this person, Ronaldo, will type 32 by 6 pages. Agree? Yes, Rabin. 32 by 6 is nothing but 16 by 3. So Ronald it is. I got confused with RR. So this is Ronald is doing 16 by 3 in 1 hour. How about this guy, Elan? Elan would be doing how many pages in 1 hour? 5 hours to type 40 pages. 5 hours to type 40 pages. It means that in 1 hour, it will be 40 by 5. 40 by 5 will be 8. So how much will they take working together on two different computers to type an assignment of 110 pages? So first of all, in 1 hour, Ronaldo and who is that other guy? Elan will type what? 16 by 3 plus 8 pages together. Right? So 16 by 3 plus 8 is equal to what? What you will get in 1 hour? How many pages? Can anyone tell me? 3 into 8, 24, 24 plus 16, 40 by 3 pages. So 40, start with the explanation. Ronaldo, sorry, not Ronaldo, Tamara, sorry. Tamara, Ronald is typing in 6 hours, 32 pages. So can I say in 1 hour, Ronaldo will type? Yes, that's correct. Surujo, check again. 32 by 6. Is that clear, Tamara? This will be 16 and this will be 3. Is 16 by 3 clear to you, Tamara? Yes, Sarogya, that's correct. Tamara, I'm waiting for your reply. Come on. Yeah. So similar way, if I talk about Elan, 5 hours, 40 pages, 1 hour, 40 by 5 is 8 pages. Done? Done, Tamara? Roshni, understanding now? Anupa, Roshni? Okay. Now in 1 hour together, Ronald and Ellen together. Rajan, no. C. So 16 by 3 plus 8. Ronald will type 16 by 3 pages. Ellen will type 8 pages. So together they will type 40 by 3 pages. Is that clear, Tamara? 40 by 3 pages in 1 hour. They have to type 110 pages. So 110 pages in how many hours? X hours. So X is equal to 110 into 110 by 40 by 3 actually. Right. So this will become 110 by 40 by 3, which will be equal to 110 into 3 by 40. So this will get cancelled. Okay, so I'll tell you people 1 minute, 1 minute. Those who are getting 25, no, I'll tell you what mistake you people are making. So this is 3 into 11 is 33. 33 by 4. 33 by 4 can be written as what? 8 to 1 by 4 hours. Right? Okay. So one thing, people, those whoever is there to disturb you on YouTube, ignore those people. All right, Mahmudul, you should not reply to these kind of people. It's okay. We are doing our work. So far, nobody was disturbing. Somebody come and say some bad word to us. We should not react to those words. All right, Mahmudul, this is for you. Though I know that you take care of the initiative, you tell people, but there will be some people who don't want to understand. It's okay. Let's focus. So 8 1 by 4 hours is what? 8 hours 15 minutes. Now if you are getting 8.25, fair enough, let's look at this. If you are getting 33 by 4 as 8.25, so this 0.25 should be converted as into minutes. Yeah, yes, Rabin, correct. Yes, so 25% of 1 hour is what? 15 minutes. So the answer is 8 hours 15 minutes only. That 0.25, you should not take 25 minutes directly. Okay, whoever got 8 or 25 minutes, I hope you understood. Done? Is that clear? Roshni, is that clear? Anupa didn't reply from long time. Okay. Last part, Neha Jajodio, new name for me. Neha, the thing is that 33 by 4, you can write it as 8 1 by 4. If you're writing it as 8 hours, if you're converting it everything into minutes, because here, sorry, hours, because here you are calculating X hours. So your X hours is equal to 33 by 4 hours. So 33 by 4 hours is like 8 hours, 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours is nothing but 15 minutes, right? Fine, Neha. If you're going by 8.25, when you are dividing 33 by 4 and you are getting 8.25. So this, again, you need to convert it into hours. This is your decimal part. Understand that. So 0.25 is 1/4. 1/4, right? So you need to take 1/4 of hours. That is 15 minutes. So 8 hours, 15 minutes will be the answer. You can multiply the 1/4 by 60 to get 15 minutes. Yes, yes, Quincy, that's correct. Awesome, people. Good. Nice. Okay, so now tomorrow we'll solve level questions. As of now, let's understand one more thing. So A and B, there are two pipes. A and B, there is pipe A, there is pipe B. Both are filling pipes, all right? A can fill the tank in 5 minutes and B can fill the tank in 10 minutes. A can fill the tank in 5 minutes, B can fill the tank in 10 minutes. A and B together, two pipes together in how many minutes? What would be your answer? Habib, I hope you are understanding. Awesome. 10 by 3. Yeah, it is so similar. Same stuff. Whatever we are doing, right? So far, whatever we are doing, we will be taking LCM of 5 and 10. So 5 and 10 LCM is 10. So we'll understand it as 10 liter. Let's say 10 liter is the capacity of the tank. So it means that this pipe will fill 2 liter in 1 minute, and this pipe will fill 1 liter in 1 minute. So together 2 liter plus 1 liter, same method. 3 liter is getting filled in 1 minute. So 10 liter will get filled in how many minutes? So 10 by 3 minutes. Your answer will be what? 3, 1 by 3. So somebody answered 3 minutes 20 seconds. Good job. Oh, sorry, 20 seconds. That's so nice. All right. Okay. So 3 minutes 20 seconds, 3, 1 by. Now, if I take the same question in this way. So whatever the concept we have learned for same concept, Habib, whatever we have done 1 by, this is in minutes. Now convert 1 by 3 into 60 because this is in minutes. How we do this? 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So 1 by 3 minutes is equal to how many seconds? Okay, for this part. So whatever the method we have used so far, whatever the numbers given to us, where is my pen? Whatever the number given to us, we will take the LCM, we'll get this and then just add it. Same method, same method. Now let's do another one. 5 minutes filling. B, emptying. So all of you have seen washing machine, right? So washing machine is like what? There is a filling pipe and then there is draining pipe, which drains the water. If you will fill the pipe, if you open filling pipe and draining pipe together, if draining pipe is capacity is more than it, the tub will never get filled. Or else, let me give you a very simple example. There is one bottle which gets filled in 5 minutes, but there is a leak in the bottle and it's getting emptying in 10 minutes. So if both filling and emptying is getting done at the same time, how many minutes will it take to fill the bottle? Habib, did you understand now? Or you still want me to repeat? Yes, I hope it's clear. Okay, 1 minute, people. I would like to tell you something here. For emptying, we do what? Minus sign, because it's a negative work done. All right, as it is negative work, it's emptying, it's leaking, emptying, draining, it's all negative. So we use negative sign. For filling, we use plus sign. For emptying, we use negative sign. Rishabh, we were using the same method. Don't worry. When we'll solve the questions, you will understand. So again, this 5 and 10, LCM is 10. So let's say 10 liter is the water, 10 liter is the volume of the bottle. 10 liter and it's taking 5 minutes. It means that 2 liter per minute it will fill, that is plus. And 10 liter, 10 minutes. It means that 1 liter in 1 minute, it's getting emptied minus, right? So now one is filling it and another one is emptying it. So effectively, how many liter is getting filled? Can you tell me? 2 liter is getting filled every minute, but 1 liter is coming out every minute. So effectively, how many liter is getting filled? 1, right? 1 liter. So 2 minus 1, that is 2 plus 2 minus 1. So it is giving you what? 1 liter in how many minutes? 1 minute. So 10 liter will be in how many minutes? 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is your answer. Is that clear now, Rishabh? Tim, you also understood. Awesome. Cool. All of you got it? Simple thing. Whatever we were doing so far, the same stuff. Okay, the only thing which we need to take care here is that if it is emptying or if it is draining, then we use minus sign. Roshni, Mahmudul, I hope it's clear. Yes. Okay. We'll move to the questions now. Jennifer, is that clear? Jennifer, Wonder, Vivek, long time Vivek, you did not reply. Emmanuel, Srijita, reply to me for this one, then we'll move to the next one. All right, Gautam. Okay. Wonder, reply. Wonder, Srijita. Pardon. Not clear, Emmanuel. If you understood previous question, this also are the same one. Segulum. Okay, we should move. Let's move. Okay, we moved. Missed for some time now. Gideon. Okay, Gideon, try to understand this one. Maybe you will understand. Don't worry. Same thing, Gideon. Whatever we did earlier, the same stuff. Whatever the concept we used for the number of days, similar concept we have to use here. That's it. Don't get confused with all this stuff, people. Don't get confused with if both the tanks are opened simultaneously. Okay, into the empty tank. 7.2 hours. P is taking how many hours? 12 hours. And Q is taking how many hours? 18 hours. Both are filling the tank. Fill. So both are plus. Right? 12 and 18, LCM is 36. So I'll assume that 36 liter is the capacity of the tank. 3 liter per hour, 2 liter per hour. Any problem so far to anyone? Any problem so far to anyone? No problem. Can you type no if it is no problem? If it is problem, type problem. Yes, Gautam, Arogya, that's correct answer. No problem, no problem, no problem. Okay. Okay. Problem. Ravin, simple Ravin. You got the answer for the previous questions, right? Same stuff. P is taking 12 hours, Q is taking, okay, no problem. All right, Ravin. That's what I was wondering. What happened to you suddenly? Patricia, after a long time you replied, Patricia. Patricia, 12 and 18, I'll take LCM. Is 36 clear, Patricia? Type in yes or no quickly. We will take LCM of 12 and 18, 36. So 36 by 12, 12 hours to complete 36 liter. It means that 3 liter per hour. Is this part clear? 3 liter per hour? Reply yes or no. Done. Okay. 36, 18 hours for 36 liter. It means that 2 liters per hour. That is also clear. Yes, Patricia? Yes. Majority of you got the answer. So P plus Q, when both the pipes are working together, P will fill 3 liter, Q will fill 2 liter. It means that they are filling 5 liter in 1 hour. They have to fill how many liter? 36 liter. So 36 liter in how many hours? 36 by 5. 36 by 5 is 7.2 hours. 7.2 only it is? Right? 7.2 hours. Okay. Yes, Salugam. Done? Is that clear, Patricia, now? I'll move on. Let's move on. If it is not clear, let me know. I'll come back. Okay, awesome. Okay, people, go for it. Go for this one. So yeah, Mehdi, I was not, you got angry with Mahmudul, but he was also saying because of reason, because if you keep spamming it, if you just keep sending one type of question, one type of comment, it would be difficult for me to see the chats and then reply or look at the answers. So on that note, he said, so don't take, and let's respect everyone and each and everyone here, because we all are learning. And intention should be very clear for what we are here. Are we just for the pastime, or we are here with some motto to clear the exam, to get good scholarship, to help our family financially, to help ourselves financially, whatever. Okay, so the answer is 45 days. Yes, all of you got it. 45 minutes. Oh, yeah, this is minutes. Cancel it. First part is important. I hope everyone got that. Everyone understood. Screen is not clear. Rishabh, it's clear, Rishabh. So anybody wants me to explain? Okay, quickly I'll explain. A and B together fill 30 minutes. B alone take 90 minutes. How long A will take? A, I don't know. B is taking 30 minutes. No, B is taking 90 minutes. A and B are taking 30 minutes. So A, I don't know. LCM of 30, 90 is 90. This I don't know. This is how many units per day? 90 liter. So 1 liter in 1 minute, because this is given in minute. This is also given in minute. This will be 3 liter per minute. So x plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to what? 2. So the answer is 2 liter in 1 minute. So this will be what? A will be 45 minutes, 90 by 2. I hope that's clear to everyone. Alex, tell me, where is the question? All right, Hassan, just try to understand. It's okay. Oh, who was that? Alex, did you get the answer now? Alex. This one is so clear. Okay. How time long our class? Our class is of 2 hours. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Alex. Nice. Fine. Okay, this is conceptual question. People try. Awesome question. So another 20 more minutes, Habib. Pranajiva, I hope you understood. Okay. Who is spectator today? Akram Hussain. Akram Hussain did not reply even single time. Maybe some other problem. I'm not saying. Lucky Lombe also not replied. Noor Islami, no. Patricia Mulanda. Two Patricias are there. Okay. Ronnie, I hope you are understanding. Awesome. Awesome, Robin. Sandali, check your calculation. Purely logical people, purely logical question. Yes, Tamara. That's correct. Okay. Ronnie, understanding? Srijita. 4 hour 25 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hour 15 minutes. 4 hour 15 minutes. All option. Okay, let's see people. A tap can fill a bucket 6 hours. After half the bucket is filled, 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the total time taken to fill the bucket completely? Now we know only one number. And what is that number? What number we know? What number we know? A tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. So what number we know? Only one number is visible in the question, and that is 6 hours. All right. So we'll assume that 6 liter is the tank capacity. All right. If it is 6 hours, 6 liter, it means that, can I say 1 liter per hour is getting filled? All of you agree with that? 6 hours, 6 liter. 6 hours, 6 liter. It means that working capacity is 1 liter per hour. All right. So the tank is of 6 liter. The tank is of the 6 liter. Now let's read the question. After half the bucket is filled. After half the bucket is filled. So half bucket will filled in how many hours? Half bucket is 3 liters. So 3 liter will filled in how many hours? 3 hours. I hope it's clear to everyone so far. 3 hours, 3 liter, it's clear to everyone. Yes or no? Yes? Yes? Now, remaining 3 liter, what is the total time taken to fill the bucket completely? Remaining 3 liter, how many pipes are working? 4 pipes, right? So, okay. So remaining 3 liter, 4 pipes are working. What is the capacity of 4 pipes working then? What will be the capacity of 4 pipe working then? 3 hours you got. This 3 liter is filled by 4 pipes and every pipe is working in the same capacity, right? 4 liter in 1 hour, right? So if you see this way, option is not there. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 liter, 1 hour. So if you see people, understand one thing here. If I'm filling 1 liter, if there is another pipe also which is filling 1 liter, if there is third pipe also which is filling 1 liter, and then there is fourth pipe also which is filling 1 liter. If all these 4 pipes are working, don't you think so the tank is getting overflow? Yes or no? You need to fill only 3 liters. 1 liter extra you fill, but there is no capacity to fill. So 4 hours definitely will not be your answer. Agree? 4 hours will definitely not be answer. Yes. So let's look at this way. 4 liter can be filled in 1 hour now when 4 pipes are working. When 4 pipes are working, 4 liter can be filled in 1 hour. So 3 liter will get filled in how many hours? 3 by 4 hours. 3 by 4 hours is equal to how many minutes? 45 minutes. So the answer is 3 hours, 45 minutes. Yes, Gautam, 3 more pipes are added. Then total pipes are 4. After that half filled, it means that after that half filled, you just have to fill remaining 3 liter. Now this 4 liters can fill in 1 hour. So I hope everyone agree that 4 hours cannot be your answer. Understand? Okay, Sheikh, I'll explain. There is a 6 liter tank. All right. So half will fill 3 liter in how many hours? 3 hours. With one, how many pipe? One pipe. Okay. Okay, I'm explaining from the beginning. A tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After half the bucket is filled, 3 more similar taps are opened. So first of all, see how long will it take. Understand my point. After half the bucket is filled, so I'll answer your question, Jennifer. 1 minute. So the question is, what is the question? Question is, 1 minute. A tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After half the bucket is filled, so we need to see half bucket will fill in how many hours. When entire bucket can get filled, 6 liter bucket is getting filled in 6 hours. So half bucket will get filled, half, that is 3 liter will get filled in 3 hours. I hope that's clear, Sheikh and Sandeep. So this 3 liter in 3 hours by one pipe. All right. Now this is remaining 3 liter. Remaining 3 liter. All right. Remaining 3 liter, how many pipes are working now? Four pipes. Four pipes are working. Okay. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, people? So far, I'm not getting any reply. Sheikh and Sandeep. Four pipes, how? Because they're saying after half the bucket is filled, three more similar. Okay, tap or pipe, imagine it as same. Patricia, a tap can fill a bucket. So this is one tap and then three more similar taps. So like tap or pipe. Fair enough, Patricia? I hope that's clear. Everyone got it so far? Now, each pipe can fill because it is of same capacity. Three more similar taps. Similar taps means it means same efficiency. So it means every pipe is filling 1 liter in 1 hour, 6 liter in 6 hours. It means that every pipe capacity is 1 liter 1 hour. So this pipe will fill 1 liter, this pipe will fill 1 liter, this pipe will fill 1 liter, this pipe will fill 1 liter. So can I say 4 liter is getting filled simultaneously in 1 hour? But we need to fill only 3 liters. So 3 liter in how many hours? 4 liter in 1 hour, 3 liter in how many hours? 3 liter will give you 3 by 4 hours. 3 by 4 hours is 45 minutes. So your answer is what? 3 hours, 45 minutes. I hope it is clear now. Right? Is that clear? Yes, no, no, yes. Sheikh Hasnat, Sandeep. Okay, Surjo. Yes, Pranajiva. Still, Sheikh Hasnat, kind of complicated. I mean, they're not a complicated one, simple thing. It was earlier one pipe was working. Try to think a question in a very simple way. Let's look at the question in this way. Earlier, one pipe was working. So one pipe was taking 6 hours to fill the tank. So we'll assume that 6 liter is the tank capacity, 1 liter per hour. So if it has to get filled half, it means that it will take 3 hours. Fine, Quincy. So far, is that clear? Now, remaining 3 liter. Now, this remaining 3 liter is not getting filled only by one tap. There are 3 more similar taps. It means that there are 4 taps. What is the working capacity of the 4 taps? Every tap is filling 1 liter in 1 hour. So if 4 taps are there, 4 liter in 1 hour. But they have to fill only 3 liters. So 3 liter in how many hours? Cross multiply 3 by 4 hours, 45 minutes. That's it. All right, Anindya? I hope it's clear. Quincy, I hope it's clear now. Yes. Okay. Now, had the question been given in this way, if the capacity of tank is 4 liter, what would have been your answer in that case? Instead of 6 liter, the capacity of the tank would have been 4 liter. What would have been your answer? Forget about this after half the bucket is filled. So we will say after 3 liter, the bucket is filled. Forget about after half. Let's say after 3 liter, the bucket is filled. 3 more similar pipes are opened. So the question is, a tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After 3 liter, the bucket is filled. 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the total time taken to fill the bucket completely if the capacity of bucket is 4 liter? Final answer. Yes, final answer, Sandeep. What do you want me to repeat? Habib, question or solution? Repeat question. Today how did I arrive at 45 minutes? 1 minute. David, I'll unmute you. Okay. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Where is David? David Extesa. David, I unmuted you. Can you speak? I'll repeat my question, people. 1 minute. David, can you speak? I have unmuted you. David, are you there? Okay, so I'll continue. My question was, people, the same question. A tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After 3 hours later, the bucket is filled. 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the total time taken to fill the bucket completely if the capacity of bucket is 4 liter? If the capacity of bucket is 4 liter, that's the question.
Okay.
Yeah, David, tell me. All these 4 options are your options. Use all these 4 options as your options. What would be your answer? Yes, David,
Please,
you can speak.
can you come with the question again? Can you come with the question again?
Yeah, I'm coming with the question. I'm telling you, it's same thing, whatever is given. A tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After 3 liter, the bucket is filled. Instead of this half, I made it as 3 liter. After 3 liter, the bucket is filled. 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the total time taken to fill the bucket completely if the capacity of bucket is 4 liter? Yes, Alex. Right. So can I say this part will remain same because we know, let me go to next part. What happened? Yeah, I do have an empty sheet here. 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes. Yes, Ananya, but that was for the previous question. So for this one, a tap is, what is the, a tap can fill it in how many hours? 6 hours. So can I say working capacity of tap A will be 1 liter 1 hour only? Because only one number is visible to us, that is 6. So we'll assume that 6 liter is the tank capacity or 6 liter is the capacity. We are assuming it. So a tap number 1 will fill 1 liter in 1 hour. So 3 liter it will fill in how many hours? It will fill in 3 hours. Same question as compared to the previous one. I hope that's clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes. All of you got that. Now, how many liters are remaining? Can you tell me? How many liters are remaining? Can you tell me, people? 1 liter is remaining. For this 1 liter, how many pipes are working? 4 pipes. Right? And what is the filling capacity of one pipe? What is the filling rate? What is the filling rate of one pipe? 1 liter 1 hour. So everyone is working with the same capacity, 1 liter per hour, 1 liter per hour, 1 liter per hour. It means that if all the 4 pipes are working, can I say 4 liter in 1 hour? All the 4 pipes can fill 4 liter in 1 hour. But how many liters they have to fill now? 1 liter. So for 1 liter, it is how many hours? For 1 liter, it will take how many hours? 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours is equal to how many minutes? 15 minutes. So it means that if the capacity of the tank is 4 liter, it will take how long? 3 hours, 15 minutes. That's your answer. Did you understand now? Yes, Gautam. Final answer is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Is that clear? Anindya, Sheikh, Sandeep, Roshni, are you there? Okay. All right. So that's the only thing we need to do. Fine. So tomorrow we'll solve more questions. Tomorrow I'll figure out my pen settings also. All right. So is that clear, whatever we have done today? Whatever we have done, Davis and others can you also type? David, Vivek, Alex, Flywell, Tim. When will the final exam? Sandeep, no idea yet. So it's okay. Thank you. I'll do more questions today this type. Oh, awesome. Thank you, Quincy. So we'll practice more question tomorrow. This is just for understanding. But if you understood today, then tomorrow it will be a cakewalk for you. Fine, people. So you can get it from internet, Sandeep. Even I have taken from there. All right. So now I want anyone who has a doubt can stay back, others can go. It is clear, but we'll need to come back to the video later for more understanding. All right, Sagalam, you can come back anytime. What's the name for today's topic? Oh my God, Patricia, today's topic was time and work. All right, thank you. Thank you, Sandali. See you tomorrow. Yo, see you tomorrow. At least give us 2 questions when ending. In ending, can you send this? So there are few websites which you can refer, Quincy, by Vivek. So Sandeep, I am in the process of making a group as I was not in my city and I did not have any. Nyambe, you have a doubt. I was thinking that you will wait for me, but you are only telling me good day. See you, Surjo. So who I was telling, Sandeep? So there are some websites. Indiabix.com is one website. Career Bless is another website where you can just go ahead. All right. Look for it. You will find n number of questions of this type. Thank you, David. Okay, Mahmudal, bye. Roshni, all clear? Formula, long time. After long time, you replied. So Quincy, from there you can take the questions. You can do it. Yes, Sheikh. Do you have any doubt? Whoever has any doubt, stay back, people. Or if you don't have any doubt, I'll also go. WhatsApp group, no, Robin. WhatsApp group will not work. Like I told you, I was not here and I did not have any access to internet. So that's why I couldn't do much about some group thing. Give me time for today. I'll figure out something by today. Okay. I can catch up by this weekend. Awesome, Nyambe, then do it. Okay. So whatever question you have posted, you have emailed to me, I'll do one thing. I'll solve it on a paper and I'll send the solution to you. That I'll do then. Then you try to catch up. Okay. So Roshni, I hope it's clear now. Email address, please. It's given to everyone. Email. I have given my email address long time. What is my email address? Okay. All right, Quincy, you can log off. Yes, Binay. I was thinking you will again come up for social service. Awesome, Vivek. Binay, sorry. Okay, people, then carry on. We'll catch up again tomorrow. Take care. Happy learning. Bye-bye, Gideon. Take care. Bye, people on YouTube. Roshni, William, Natasha. Awesome. Mamula, Mahamudul. All right, Roshni. Okay, people, I'm signing off then. Take care. Bye-bye. You too take care. You're welcome, Pranajiva. I did not understand your question, Quincy. What's the exact time for starting lessons? Okay, we start at 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay? 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you, Sandeep. Looking forward for you to attend more and more classes. All right, Felix. Bye bye, people. Take care. Chalo. I'm signing off now. Ciao.